So today I'm going to change the radiator, and what made me do that was I was going to change the fluid. And I checked it on out. It is rusty, boy. Rusty and nasty. It's supposed to be green, not cloudy and brown. Alright, so we got that. And then, what else I noticed, when I was about to see how to go about draining it, I come underneath here, and I'm just staring at shit, you know, and I see that. I'm like, what the hell is that? Thought it might have been like a beehive or some shit, or one of those spiky things you see in the grass. Nope, it was a leak. And that's rust calcification, I guess is the right word for it. And it don't leak, but it's a problem. So a few bucks later, and a few tears later, we got everything we need, just the basics. I'm also going to install an inline coolant filter. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I'm custom fabbing one, and I'm getting it from a truck stop. I'm not gonna buy the Sinister diesel one or whatever. It's gonna charge you an arm and a leg for some anodized aluminum bullshit. I don't need all that. I just need it to work the way it's supposed to. So when you use your brain and a little bit of Google, you save some money. All right, this is my motor, nothing special. Little intake, little exhaust. I got some other videos of the truck running, but there she is, little 4-inch stainless. Made it myself. There's a, where is it? Sanitary clamp, some header wrap. All I got is a downpipe, and I welded what's called a ferrule on there, and then I got 4-inch sanitary tubing coming right out. Those are some of my quick TIG welds. Little bolt, stainless, welded. Improvise, baby, improvise. Alright, shit's been alright for over a year. It ain't falling off yet. So, that's that. I had a little bit of a tranny hose situation, that's why the bottom's armor rolled. I got a Mishimoto transcooler, and the fucking Mishimoto hose blew. I was in North Carolina, blasting up the mountains, and I couldn't hold up to the pressure. So that's that. Alright, we're gonna drain this thing. Alright, so I just got the cap off of there, just for a little bit of venting. I'm gonna open this petcock a little bit and get some of that shit drain on down. See if it goes by hand. Oh, it does. Alright. I've never done this before. I'm just improvising. Oh yeah, come on, baby. It's probably gonna be all types nasty. I've done so much crap to this truck. Whoa. And I've overlooked the coolant. Big mistake. Should have been one of the first things I addressed. But we're gonna go ahead and get that drained, and catch up with it in a little bit. Alright. Yeah, while that's draining, I'm going to take all this stuff apart so we can access the radiator. Start taking some of the bolts out. I live in an apartment here, so if I'm talking low or moving quick, it's because the neighbors are pain in the asses. And they don't like us touching our trucks, but we don't give a fuck because we love them. Alright, just to show you how nasty this is. Shit coming out of here, boy. Woo! It's like motor oil and tranny oil had a baby. Look like that. Alright, I went ahead and put a hose on here because It's a little better. The wind was picking up. I don't want some lady coming over to me and saying, "Oh, you killed Fluffy. He was licking that antifreeze you had on the ground there." I have a bunch of dead cats laying out on my truck. I love cats, so I don't want Fluffy to die on account of the old 7 tree. Alright, so you gotta take the reservoir off. Oh, look at that, that was easy. Put that down. Clean it too while you're at it. Inspect all your hoses. Probably just change the hoses out. Why the hell not, right? You got it off already. Don't be a dumbass. I'll probably leave that on. And we gotta get rid of the span shroud. And should be good to go. That radiator looks like it's just gonna pull right out. This truck is super complicated, but super easy to work on at the same time. That's why I love it. Alright, now that you cursed out your neighbors and told them to mind their fucking business when they walk by asking what you were doing, the radiator will be ready to pull out. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at that. This fucking thing. Fuck off, dude. Oh, fuck me. What's this? Move that out the way. There we go. All right, so check it out. I've been rinsing. You got some nice distilled water in there, nice and clear. I changed the radiator out. I wasn't a good cameraman on this job, but you see me remove the old one out after several steps that I didn't show you. But the new one's in. Everything's hooked up right. We got new hoses. Not every single hose, but did enough. It's fucking February. I don't feel like fucking around with this thing. It's windy out today. I did everything I needed to do. But what I wanted to show you is all this. I bought 12 gallons of distilled water, and I've just been changing out 4 gallons at a time, going for a little drive, coming back before it gets too hot, changing them out. So here's the last empties I got. So basically the thing holds 8 gallons. I'm gonna go for a little ride, get her warmed up, come back, empty the radiator out into these 4 gallons, and then fill up with the 4 gallons of concentrate, and then we should be all good. Alright, we're back from our little ride. Engine's a little warmed up. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, I already let a little bit of air pressure out of there, but keep that open for a little vent. Let's get under here. Fill a couple of gallons. Where are we at? Shove this pipe in here. Oh yeah, get in there. Bang. Open that. There it blows. Should be filling up, boy. It might have a little bit of a tinge to it. Yeah. You know, I don't think that was all rust. I think somebody must have put the wrong coolant in there, because this is a 99 And I guess the conventional, that green coolant with an additive, and I don't think it's supposed to turn it red, so somebody probably put some cat coolant or something in there. Thought they were fucking Johnny Powerstroke or something, but I like to keep it simple. All right, I'm gonna fill these up and keep it moving. That's how the coolant should look. You know, I was just winging it when it came to rinsing out the old coolant, and you can see it's darker over here. It gets lighter, 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 and this was the last couple gallons I took out. Still warm from my little drive, but I mean, you could flush this for days till you get it clear. So I prefer buying all these for $1 each rather than running a garden hose, and then you see how much it takes to rinse. How do you know you're getting all that garden hose water out? So this is my ghetto flush system, and it worked for me. I still got some of the old shit in there, but it's super thinned out. Alright, she's all warmed up. It's a little low, but I'm not going to open that now. Just went out for a nice hard run, got it up to about 180 on the coolant side, maybe 190, and it came down nice and quick, so everything's running the way it should. I'll come out tomorrow morning and top her off, and yeah, don't be afraid to take this on yourself. Super easy job. If you can't handle it, pass your girlfriend the tools. She'll finish it for you. Peace.